Hi, welcome to the Java Core Learning course by Example project. And today is the day 3. I would like to talk about the Java for loop example. Okay, so by default we have the general loop and for each loop. And today in this video I will show you the demo and how to use it. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open the Eclipse. Okay, here this one is a project we are using in another video. So now I will create a package new class first. So I will name it either loop testing. The package I will name it either Java loop. Loop in Java. Okay, so now I will create it either public modifier and the main class. Okay, here. So Generel Loop testing. Okay, for example, so now I will print out the list of from 1 to 10 here. We have for oh sorry. Okay, so this one is general loop setting, and so now run it here. So it will display the hello customer from 1 to 10. Cool. It loop. So here we are using the loop for iterate or iterate on the element from the 1 to 10 here. Okay. So if we don't use a loop here, so we have to write 10 line of code. Hello customer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here when we use the loop to address on of the element here, it will save the time for you to write the code, and the code will be shorter. Okay. So here that's the next one. Okay, I will loop for it. Okay, so here I will print out an array. My list my integer. Yeah. So here we have 10, 11, 11 in this array. Okay. So here for integer e loop in my integer. Copy this one. The same thing. So now I will run it, run application to see. Yeah. Okay. So I will print out a space first. Yeah. So here, if we display the hello customer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 10 here. So the same thing when we are using the general loop setting. Okay, so here the loop here it can print out the value of the element from the array, also the list or the collection in Java. Okay, here so now I will test the print from it a lit. Okay, so before using lit we have to import the packet, import Java those until dot. Okay, until it is dot add cat dot. Mm, okay. Okay, run it now. Here, so here you can see it will display hello cast dot duck. Okay, so that means for now the loop in Java is working fine. Cool. So here, I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video today, you know how to use the loop uh, in Java for iterate over the element in Java object. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for you and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.